Okay, so as you can see here, image has been loaded here. So so the thing information about the current issue was sometimes when you put some images or things in the assets folder, then most of the time it sync these changes when you save the changes, or hot reload the app. If that's not work, then we will hot reload the app. Then if still the image is not loaded in the app, so for that you need to stop the app and run it again, then it will work perfectly. So next we need to put some items here on the left and right. Then what the widget we can use to show the items on left and right? Can you guess it? I'm pausing the video here for you, and let's guess what widget should I use here to show the um, items on left and right of the image. We have already used in that widget in the top container. Okay, so I hope you already guessed it, that we need to overlap the widgets. We will use stack. So I will wrap this into a stack, and on stack, first image will laid out, and after that, if I will put any widget here, it will be show on top of the image container, image widget. Right. So 10th June, to show this I will use column. Okay, and save changes. Okay, so 10th June is shown here. The next step would be to make the background white of this label, and make it rounded corner. So for that I will wrap this column into an wrap this into a container, and set the decoration property to box decoration. So it's rounded, but it's too much rounded, I think. So I will make this 6, and also apply some padding between the top, vertically and horizontally. This B will be 4 and vertically will be 6. Okay, so now it's good. Need to increase some rounded corner value. I will make it 10. Okay, and make the color changes to the actually the 10 is bold and June is normal, and the size is also decreased. So I will set this style property of text to text style, and color would be custom red. What's the custom red? I guess it's the red color, and increase the font weight to medium, and on the bottom I will use the same text style, but for that I will need to decrease this size. By default is 14, so I will make it 12. Okay, so now it's good. Here I need to increase the size of 10. I will make it 18, and also increase the boldness of this. Okay, so now it's perfect. So here I need to put some margin on top and left side. So for that I will set the margin property of the container. On left it will be 8, on top 8. Okay, so and the next I need to put it on the right side of the image. So for that I will copy this container, because I already make the container. So I will copy this container from here and remove this column, and show the icon here. This icon is like looks like bookmark icon. Okay, so and the next we need to change the color of it. Custom red. Okay, so it's showing here, but it's showing on the left side, so we need to move this on the right side. For that we will use another widget in the stack, which is a positioned widget. So I will wrap this into another widget, which is positioned, and set it on the left side. It would be 8. Okay, but it's not showing on the left side, or it's not showing as what we are expecting from this. So it should be on the right side. Okay, so it's showing on the right side, so I will need to increase some margin from the right side. I will make it 8. Okay, so it's showing the icon as we are expecting. So the next thing, we will need to show these items here. So it's international brand. It's only contain international brand value. So for that I will to show these items below this image, we need to wrap this image container part into the column. So I will wrap this stack which contains image and the 10th June and the bookmark icon. I will wrap this into the column, and below that I will show this text. Okay, so the text is shown here, and next would be these 3 images and plus going. So for that we need to use a row to show these things. First I need to copy these images one by one from here. First download it. I will make the profile, give them the name profile underscore img format. Okay, so to show these images in the circular format, we have we have already used the image widget, but other than that, Flutter also provide circular avatar widget which show used to show the things in the circle shape. set the background image property. Okay, so it's showing here, but image is not shown up, so it's not able to picking the assets as images. So profile img.1.png. So it's showing the image, but here, but I think it's blurry in this. What's the image size here? Okay, so image size is too small, so that's why it's showing the blurry image in here. We will replace these images later, but here the goal is to make the layout like this, so just bear it with low quality images. And the next would be img2, img3. Okay, I have three images, and first we will put all the elements which are we need to show in this container. Then after that we will do the designing work like this. So plus 20 going. And color is blue here, so do we have any blue color here? Custom light blue color. If we have custom light blue color, so we will see that is that the same color which is showing here. So for that I double click it and click it and selected this text and go to the inspect part and copy this. No, this color is not exist in our file, so here I will make another property to copy any line below. We will take the cursor to that specific line and select press these keys Alt, Shift and arrow down. So custom